Level up your Travel Town game with these need talk no tricks. First, stop auto-merging. While tempting, resist combining every item immediately. Having multiple low-level items lets you complete more orders at once. This is important for early game strategy. Focus on building specific chains for orders. Check what orders are upcoming and save items accordingly. Notice here how I'm only merging to level 5 right now because that fulfills a few orders without completely using up my resources. Utilize events. They often offer boosted rewards and unique items not available on the main board. Pay attention to their requirements and dedicate some time each day to maximizing your earnings. Be smart with your energy, plan your moves beforehand and avoid wasting energy on unproductive merges. Consider using gems to refill if you're close to completing a high-value order or event milestone. Complete your daily tasks. They provide valuable resources like gems, energy, and chests, which can significantly boost your progress and help you in completing more orders. And finally, keep your board organized. Don't let it become cluttered. An organized board allows you to strategically merge the items without wasting too much time. Use these tips to become a Travel Town master.